In the vast expanse of the internet, every website, service, or device has its own unique address, much like houses have their own addresses in a city. However, these addresses are not like the familiar street names and numbers we use in daily life. They are strings of numbers called IP addresses. But what if you only know a website's name, like www.example.com, and not its IP address? That is where a crucial internet tool comes into play, converting these user friendly text based addresses into the numeric IP addresses that computers understand. Without this translation, browsing the internet would be like navigating without a map. By seamlessly converting domain names into their corresponding numerical identifiers, DNS ensures smooth and efficient communication across the vast network of interconnected devices. Now, here is a multiple choice question. Dash converts text based addresses to numeric IP address. The options are modem, IP address, DNS, www. Let's explore all the options and find out the correct one. Modem. A modem is a device that connects your computer or network to the internet, but it doesn't convert text-based addresses to IP address. IP address. This is the numerical label assigned to each device connected to a computer network that uses the Internet Protocol for communication. It is a crucial component of Internet communication. DNS. DNS stands for Domain Name System. It is like a massive address book for the Internet, translating human-readable domain names like www.example.com into IP addresses. When you type a website's name into your browser, DNS servers translate that name into the corresponding IP address, so your computer can connect to the correct server. www World Wide Web. The www refers to the collection of websites and web pages accessible via the internet. So, based on the above explanation about options, the correct answer is DNS. The tool that specifically converts text-based addresses to numeric IP addresses is DNS. It acts as the Internet's address book, translating human-readable domain names into IP addresses, enabling seamless communication between devices on the web. You can learn more about this topic in your MSCIT book.